Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 2, or not part 2, season 2 of Americans trying Chinese snacks, and I have Holly again because her dad went to China. Get started. The gift of business seed.
Oh yes, my dad rode a train a lot while he was there, so he would get these little packages.
What is this going? There's this. There's this. There's this. Just Here's the peach one. Got stickers. Oh wow, just opens.
Okay. All right.
I'm so nervous. Like my heartbeat's like racing. I don't know. 3.
Oh, salty.
10. What are these? Out of 10 peach nuggets, we give this. I give it a 3, 4 of the peach nuggets. Purple potato. Purple. They weren't kidding.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I hope these taste good. Ready? 1. They look like mini potatoes.
My nose.
1, 2, 3. Whoa.
Crunchy.
Light aired peanut. Like actual like jerky. You're like, what animal is this? It does. Okay. Oh my god, it does. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm so nervous. Like, what animal is this?
Oh man, that was kind of weird. It's like a paste. Like when you're chewing it.
I feel like I shouldn't be eating that. Jujube. Jujube.
Look at that fruit snack. Like
I hope. Just one square fruit snack.
It smells pretty good. That makes me feel I'm satisfied.
It's good. I like it. It's just like one of those organic fruit strips.
10 out of 10.
Agree. Biscuit caramel flavored. Go. Like the cinnamon crackers or whatever.
Yeah, like the ones you get on like airplanes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
6.
I don't know, kind of tastes burnt to me.
Yeah, it doesn't taste bad, but like, so we have these 2 boxes. This is what they look like. So this is what was inside of mine. I'm going to try these 2 little cookies. Ready, set, go. Whoa. What the heck? It tastes like cornbread.
Cornbread? Oh yeah.
Yeah, doesn't it? Tastes like cornbread, but like in a cookie. 8.
Yeah, 8.
That's really good focus right there. So scared. 2, 3.
It's not spicy.
It's not even spicy. It won't focus. This looks like a... Whoa. My god, that is strong.
That's like, I feel like I just
R.I.P. to my breath. Oh my god. It's
dried shrimp.
We're going to try coconut strips. Wait, they smell really fresh.
Oven baked crispy coconut.
They smell fresh. Melons. I can't tell if I
It smells really good.
It smells really good. Like I want this like as a perfume.
These are like cantaloupe Cheeto
It smells like
puffs.
Bath and Body Works if they ever made a melon scent. 3. Whoa, there's like
Something at the bottom.
Yeah, there's like chocolate at the bottom or yogurt. Really weird is that it tastes like nothing. But it smells like so many things. I'm an 8 because it kind of disappointed me on that it didn't taste like melon.
6.
6.
It just smells really good.
I want to use it as like an air freshener.
You guys can see.
Yeah, it looks like pasta noodles.
But they're like beef flavor.
Beef.
Smell like beef. Oh my gosh, it smells like
It smells like the Bean Boozled dog food.
It also smells like beef bouillon.
Ready? I'm gonna spit this out. Wait.
It just tastes like barbecue.
It's ramen noodles.
You're right. Like the
seasoning. Whoa. Ones are seaweed lace chips.
A fun fact about me is that I love seaweed.
Yeah, Holly, they look like sour cream and onion chips.
They literally smell like salt and vinegar.
They do. tastes like a sushi roll. Clam. I've never tried clam, but I feel like that's what it tastes like.
No, but this is definitely what seaweed.
Really?
Mm-hmm. 9 out of 10. Definitely recommend.
9 out of 10. I don't know why. I just wanted to do it. We're going to try the seaweed. Got it. First time trying seaweed. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This is different. This is really sweet.
Hey everyone, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you have a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for more video suggestions, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. Peace.
Oh, let me love me. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you said to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement. But your brother was